Alright guys, back again. We've got Mike S here. He's going to do another box of 2012 Panini Limited Football and another box of 2012 Panini Playbook Football. Alright, we'll start with Limited. Good luck, buddy. Alright, so we've got Matt Ryan, base. Des Bryant, Spotlight Parallel, number to 49. Eddie George, loved watching Eddie George play. And Randy Moss. Flip this over. Got an Alshon Jeffrey, Jumbo Jersey. That one is numbered 51 of 99. A George Iloka, Phenoms Autograph, numbered to 299. And then we've got a Jumbo Jersey autograph of Michael Ignu. And that is 30 of 49. And there is the Randy Moss parallel. Alright, Playbook. Again, I'll save the booklet for the end. Alright, we're only going to get one booklet this time. Unless it's a redemption. Pack number 1. We do have a redemption. Rookie Playbook Material Signatures Die Cut 2. Card number 27, Mohamed Sanu. Pack number 2. Ooh, nice. We got a D'Angelo Williams autograph. And that is number 2 of 10. Very nice low numbered auto. Pack 3. Numbered 1 of 5. Emerald Parallel, Evan Rodriguez. It's a very tough pull. And our booklet, let's see if this has ink on it. Rookie Playbook, Alshon Jeffrey. And as you can see, that is a little damaged right there. Part of that die cut window is coming up there. So I will be happy to send you the packs and the box so you can maybe contact Panini to try to get that replaced. But that definitely is coming up. Came right out of the pack like that. So I know Panini will take care of you. All right, Mike. Appreciate it, and I will get it right out to you, buddy.